Hey guys, Robert H here from Variable Traders. I just wanted to do a recap of a strategy we don't get to see much from Andrew, just because it happens later in the day. So it's a reversal on TAL. But before we get into that, the market was really weird today. Our watch list was huge, and a lot of it was just kind of broadcasting and telecom stocks. And most of them were NYSE too, right? So there wasn't any big movers. I didn't really catch any good trades. And if you look at SPY here, today's the FOMC meeting, as Ryan was saying. It's just chop and wicks all over the place. The wicks are bigger than the bodies and just no direction. It's just really ugly. So anyways, at around 10:40-ish, 10:45, I saw TAL come up on the turbo breakdown scanner. And as Andrew was saying this morning, you know, trade ideas is expensive, but it really pays for itself. If you can catch a good move based on the scanner, I mean, one good trade can really pay for a whole year of subscription, right? So TAL came up on the turbo breakdown, and I kind of just watched it. I was like, wow, this is a huge move. Look at this. I was hoping for a bear flag, and if I can get in on a new 5-minute low, then I could catch the next leg down. I found this level on the daily chart, 38.36, is some sort of support level, and as you can see, it actually did come and test it. So those levels are magic. Anyways, it didn't give me a good risk to reward on this kind of fake bear flag or whatnot, and if I had gotten in here, I'd have to put my stop here realistically, and then some of these levels here, even optimistically down to here, this is not very favorable. It's 1.25 to 1. So it just kept going and just kept selling. There was no entry, and really it got really volatile at some points. It was chopping 20-30 cent moves, and the spread it started tightening up, but it started off really bad. I guess the market makers were trying to take advantage of the sell-off, right? And at around 11:05, 11:10, I saw this hammer doji getting put in, and I was telling people in the chat, and I was like, careful of this hammer doji. It could be a bull trap. Then the volume started surging. It just started surging. It was equivalent to the previous candle's volume, and this huge tail here was really bullish. So I looked back on the chart and I said, you know what? Maybe this was the bull trap. And some people try to take the reversal here, and they got flushed, right? So I was kind of just watching it, and the whole chat was just talking about it as a big deal, big hoo-ha. And I decided to go long on a new 5-minute high. So my entry here was at 39.65. I put my stop at the 39 whole dollar, and I took a really small size just so I could manage the risk better. And we just quickly popped up here. So don't let this axis fool you. This is a big move. From my entry here to this exit here is $1.50. And I just started scaling out on the way up here. It was a pretty quick move. And then it kind of came back, and some people tried shorting it here at the break of $40. But I was saying, this $40 is strong support. It's held it a few times here, right? And as you can see, the shorts got squeezed really hard above VWAP up to 41.75. So $2 past my entry, and I had some shares left. I just kept a very small amount. I think it was 10% or something, because I thought, maybe the news was kind of an exaggeration. So there was some sort of allegations that they were cooking the books. It's a Chinese company, and I thought, maybe it's just a rumor. There's no proof yet. Maybe it'll come back and test some of these moving averages, or maybe even come back and retrace everything, right? But it faded the other way, and then I just got out after being in this thing for an hour. I decided to go do something else with my day. I just got out. But if you look at where we are now, this is the move that I was hoping to get here. It is actually doing it. So after this little fake out here, now it's just starting to work its way back up, and I don't know. I'm not going to take it. It's the midday. I just wanted to go over that and show you guys what a reversal looks like in the wild. So that's my recap, and thanks for watching.